Yeah, win.
Did you know the food was not?
Nope. I know I went only one. Yeah, I thought so. Silence.
By this point, the boys weren't even a week into the challenge, and they were already teaming up against one of their own.
I will directly say to Josh, it looks like you're chilling all day. And then we're burning giant amounts of energy day in and day out.
Not hurt a lot. I mean, if anything, half burning these calories that he's so tired about doing backflips and showing off in front of the camera. So it made me contemplate today whether I really want to do this anymore.
While tension was making some of the boys consider leaving, the women were ready to do the same, but only as part of their strategy.
Food load might have to change.
It can't change. We're still not getting into rations. It is time to start, as a team, sending people home for the goal of winning.
It can't be more than 2 people touching the rations. Yeah.
So we have a team decided that it's time for me to go home.
This is Hannah, and I'm...
Ai Natasha urmala orice oră. Dacă îți descarci tazi, ai voucher de 30 de lei cu 2.
Ready to leave.
We will discreetly evacuate you out of the forest without alerting